Hi everyone, this is Jupiter Jim from jupiterjim.com, and in this demonstration blog I'm using the WordPress version 3.0.1 along with the thesis theme version 1.8. However, what I'm going to teach you in this video will apply no matter what version of the WordPress or thesis theme or whatever theme you're using. What I'm going to talk about in this video is workflow, which is the best way to set up your browser when you're updating your WordPress blog. I'm just going to show you the method that I use. You can set it up any way you want. Now, the first thing that I do is just open up a browser. I have the Google Chrome browser opened up, and I just type in the web address to my blog, and that brings me to the home page of my blog, which is where I am right now. The next thing I do is just scroll down. Okay, I go to the meta widget, find that, look for the login link, click on that, and then I just log in. So I just type in my ID and password, and voila, I am in the dashboard of my WordPress blog. Now it says, Google Chrome says, do you want to save your password? I can just click never for this site. Okay, now once I'm in the dashboard, what I like to do is mouse over the name of the blog in the upper left hand corner, then right click to get the drop down menu, and then a left click on open link in new tab. So look directly above this and you'll see a new tab is opened up in the browser, and that is the live active blog. This is not a demonstration or a preview of the blog. This is the live actual blog that everybody is seeing right now anywhere in the world if they're looking at this blog. Okay, so if I want to make, say, an update to test post number 7 deep sea fishing, and I just want to change it to, say, test post number 7 fishing, Florida fishing, what I would do is just click in dashboard. I would go to posts, click on this post here, delete deep sea fishing, hit backspace a couple of times, click update. Okay, now I'm going to click this tab with the live active blog, and you see no changes have been made so far, but you would not expect that because I have not refreshed this page in my browser, and one way to do that is to hit the F5 key at the top row of your keyboard, which is F5 like Foxtrot 5, or you can just go up here in a typical browser and click on the refresh or reload button and watch where it says test post number 7 and watch that change. So you see that the change took place, and that's typically how I do it. Now if you want to create a new post using this method, you just click add new. Type in the title of your post, test post number 10, and I just like horses, so I'm going to write something about horses. I'm going to just right click, I'm just going to paste in some dummy text which I copied before I started this video. Now typically what I do is I just click publish and the post goes live. If you don't want the post to go live immediately, you can click on save draft and then you can preview. Okay, but that's a topic for another video from the future. For right now, I'm just showing the simple method that works for most people in most cases. So I've just created this new post. I need to publish it, so I click publish here. Okay, I go back, click on this tab, back to the live blog. And under test post 7, I just want to show you that there is test post number 9. Test post number 7 is a sticky post, so it always stays at the top of the blog. I explain what a sticky post is in another video, so we won't worry about that for right now. Now I'm going to hit refresh or reload for the browser, and then I'm going to scroll down, and you can see test post number 10 horses has appeared here. So that's how I work it. I make changes in the dashboard, which is here, and then I just view the changes by clicking on this tab here. One last thing I'd like to say in closing before I finish this video. When you go up here and mouse over the name of your blog, please make sure to always right click and then left click where it says open link in new tab, like so. If you just left click on the link, you go directly to the blog, and now none of your tabs have the dashboard in it. And if I just kind of click around, I'm on the far left tab. and then I want to get back to the dashboard, I just got to keep clicking back. It can be a little confusing, a little tedious, definitely not efficient in terms of workflow. So that's why I always right-click, open link in new tab, and that's how I work it. Now you can use any method you want. This is just what works for me and most of the clients that I work with.